presenting the Java OOP project. This is my UML diagram. Let me introduce my architecture for my code. That is easy and simple workflow and easy to understand too. At start, we have an enum, two enums, which is the first one is ingredients and the second one is animals to use for our system, for all system, sorry. At first, we have silo class will contain the to build silo, and we have ingredient silo for each silo, like a silo of corn, silo of wheat, or silo of grass. And the silo will call the ingredients from the class ingredients to make silo. And then silo, they have we have a load in method and load out by type method, which is used with animal feed factory. The animal feed factory will call to load out from the silo to make animal feed. And how to make animal feed? Yeah, I have feed recipe for each animal. Like cow have their own recipe and chicken also have their own recipe. We will load out ingredients from silo and use recipe from a feed recipe and do at the animal feed factory. And then when you finish, we have a product which is animal feed. We will stock at the stock class which have a add feed which send the product to the stock, and consume feed is a call for feeding animals. And the last part is animal. Animal is a class to manage everything in the farm, and animal class will manage for each animal. And yeah, and then I want to present my workflow. At first, build our silo. Uh, this will show at the ChokChon Farm, which is main class. At the ChokChon Farm, I build a new stock and I build my silo, which is built from car silo and then build for each silo. And then load premium ingredients into silos that will show at the output. I will show the code of this one, which is here. When you load in, the ingredients will have check the type first, the type of ingredients. If we didn't have these ingredients in our farm, will got reject and show sorry, this silo doesn't keep these ingredients. And if in the silo have a full capacity, I will show you the now silo is full. And if done correct with the two if condition, we'll go to this. If the silo has that ingredient already has at that ingredients, we will load in at this part. call the get ingredient and ingredient ID and check with the ingredient at ingredient class and then check the quantity and then we will load ingredients to silo. And if a silo has empty, we will add add here and then load out. Load out. I want to show at the with the animal feed factory because it had a relation. So at the animal feed factory, first we had a secret recipe here, which built at the feed recipe. Feed recipe will call the animal types and the required ingredients, and then return be the output. So let's talk about the workflow. The workflow is the ingredients will call from the loadout by type at silo. That I have a check that this silo that empty or not. If it's not empty, will will load out to animal feed factory. So at the then when they feed the ingredients to animal feed factory, then we will produce the feed based on feed recipe. And then when finished, they will add animal feed to the stock. At the class stock had a add feed and consume feed, which is add feed is receive the animal feed from the animal feed factory, and consume feed is when the farm call to send the animal feed to farm. They will show that if we didn't have enough, we will show the little cow is so sad, no food today. And if we have feed, we will show a fed amount blah 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 kilograms to little cows, for example. And then at the class animal will manage for the each animal which contain the feed method. Feed method will manage how to up level, how animals up level. I have the logic that the cow will eat at the 100 kilograms to up one level and pigs 160 kilogram and the chicken 140 kilograms and level will max at the level 3. And this is a farm to manage all farm. I mean manage all of animals which have add animal methods to add animals to the list and feed all to feed for all animals in the farm and print all animals, and that will show you at the output. First, it brought premium ingredients to silo that will loaded blah 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 like this, and the second one is build our factory and produce feed, which we will added 200 kilogram of fish for little cow and other run that will show when we produces the animal feed. And then this is a feed stock that will show the stock now, which you can see is a chicken had a 80 kilogram of animal feed and pigs had 100 kilogram and cows has 200. And then when we add the animal to our farm, we will show you the warmly welcome animals to our farm. And then the last part is a feed our little cuties animals, which will show you that which animal have fat and which animal have no food today. And when level up, that will show you at the output cow level up to level 2. And the last one is the show the status of cow, pigs, and chicken. And this is our system, ChokChon Farm, to work automation farm.